I assure you complete practice-oriented classes from scratch right from the basics. This particular short video is to invite you, to request you to join our WhatsApp channel SQL School. At SQL School, we have been focusing on SQL and database related technologies for almost last 19 years. And we have recently ventured into AWS as well as advanced and full stack Python courses. This particular short video is actually intended for the folks who are looking for latest FAQs, latest technology videos, free webinars, job updates, technology updates, resume tips, resume planning activities, one-to-one resume meets, and more information that we can get through our new SQL School WhatsApp channel. What more you are waiting for? Click on the link in the description box and enroll yourself to our free WhatsApp channel SQL School. We are into Azure and AWS cloud technologies. We are into SQL, Microsoft SQL and Oracle database technologies. We are into Power BI and Python analytic technologies, developer components, and lot more. Once again, all our classes will be completely into practice zone. So we assure you complete 100% practical training classes from our step-by-step meaningful activities. We assure you complete project implementation for our resume. At the same time, we request the participants to do on-time practice throughout the course. That's very important to get the proper shape in our resume for our comfortable job work. With this short session, let's communicate further on our WhatsApp channel. You may click on the link given in the description box of this video, or you can ping us on any of these numbers you see on the screen. You may even connect to me on LinkedIn so that we can discuss more regarding our technology related, career related, resume related, and course related questions and answers. Thank you once again and see you soon in our next video. Thank you once again. Have a nice time. Thank you so much.